Just 25 minutes from Seattle, the embodiment of grandeur and solitude can be found at the water's edge on Vashon Island. A magnificent estate built on the banks of Puget Sound, blessed with breathtaking views of Mount Rainier. Resting on over 24 acres and approximately 1,000 feet of waterfront, this resort-like estate is the ultimate getaway. Built as the epitome of luxury, the 9,600 square foot residence boasts extraordinary detail and design. Warm, exquisitely milled woods, natural stone elements, and hand-edged glass surround you from room to room. Designed with entertaining in mind, the estate creates the perfect setting for gathering. Watch a movie in the theater, enjoy wine in the cellar, take a dip in the ocean view hot tub, practice putting on the green, take the boat out for a cruise. Nothing is missing. At the end of the day, read a book in your own private library before retreating to the tranquil master suite, overlooking the views with a private balcony, gym and spa-like bath. The upper level continues with an office, 3 additional bedrooms, and a guest apartment with private entrance. Embrace the best of outdoor living on the expansive patio, surrounded by lush gardens and waterfalls. Stroll down to the rock-lined beach and boathouse. Serene, iconic, magical, remarkable in every way.